Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.0566 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $0.0669 mark and the $0.0496 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0545 mark. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, I believe there are high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that is after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.0986 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.1569 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this Elliot wave structure, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, that I'm expecting to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Hbar chart, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to also give you the short-term scenarios, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of that wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, and this Elliot wave structure right here in blue is a fractal wave within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 that I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios, where we have fully peaked in the formation of that wave 1. We are now seeing a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.0615 mark and the $0.0574 mark, which is a target area at the time of this recording we have fully maximized, though we are still trading within that blue target area, meaning there are chances that we might see maybe one more leg down within this blue target area before we can start our massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And we have also been trading within this descending channel, which could also possibly give us a breakout to the lower side, and in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting Hbar to still continue holding within the blue target area, because the moment we lose the blue target area, that would be suggesting a different Elliot wave count over here, and that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this wave 2. And in case we get a reversal, maybe see an increase in the buying momentum, continue trading within the channel and continue pushing even higher, there are still chances of seeing a breakout to the upper side of the channel in what could be the start of the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. But in case we see the breakout to the lower side and also lose our blue target area, which is the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, maybe get to our next key area of support at around the $0.0566 mark, we also lose that key area of support, continue seeing even lower prices, then there are high chances that we might not have seen the low for these higher Elliot wave count 2 over here, and there are chances of seeing one more leg down within this yellow target area down here in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And if that is the case, then I'll be watching for a new low below the low that we made at around the $0.0545 mark. And once such a scenario plays out, then that will be the new low for this higher Elliott wave count 2, and then from there we can sketch out new target areas to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. But as long as we are holding the within the blue target area, then I'll be expecting a reversal very soon in what could be the start of the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And I don't want to sketch out target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 because there are high chances that Hbar might give us one more leg down within this blue target area in what could be the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2 to the lower side before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 37 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, you have been able to print a bearish cross, a bullish cross, suggesting that there are high chances that we might continue gearing up, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting a bearish cross might be printed soon. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.